Here's how to turn off Google personalized results so your searches stop being tailored to your activity. First, open any browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This is where all your privacy and activity settings are managed. On the left side, click Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the section called History Settings. This is where Google tracks your searches, browsing activity, YouTube history, and more. Personalized results mainly come from web and app activity. Tap Web and App Activity to open it. Now toggle off Web and App Activity. Google will show a pop-up explaining that turning this off disables features like personalized search results, faster recommendations, activity-based suggestions. Tap Pause to confirm. This instantly stops Google from using your past searches and browsing history to customize your results. To reduce personalization even more, go back and scroll to Add Personalization. Tap it and turn off the toggle. This prevents Google from using your interests or activity to customize ads across Google products. For completely neutral, non-personalized searches, you can also use Google in an incognito window or browse while logged out. And that's it. You've turned off Google personalized results for a more private and neutral search experience.